The Filipino antonyms bago, which means new in English, and luma, which is old. Bago, luma. Bago, luma. Ipakita mo sa akin ang iyong bagong gawa. Show me your new work. Ipakita is to show, sa akin is to me, and then iyong is your, and then bago is new, and then gawa is like work. Ipakita mo sa akin ang iyong bagong gawa. Masarap ang pagkain sa lumang restaurant. The food is delicious at the old restaurant. Masarap means delicious, pagkain is food, luma means old, and then restaurant is restaurant. Masarap ang pagkain sa lumang restaurant. Ito ay isang bagong yugto ng buhay. This is a new phase of life. Ito is this, isa is one, and then bago is new, yugto is like a phase, and then buhay is life. Ito ay isang bagong yugto ng buhay. Ang lumang kasabihan ay totoo pa rin. The old saying is still true. Luma means old, kasabihan is a saying, totoo is true, pa rin means still. Ang lumang kasabihan ay totoo pa rin. Once again, when we say bago, it means new, and then luma is old. Bago, luma. Bago, luma.